Alright, sup? Noah Best here, and today is going to be all about the new Cogeco Wi-Fi, the Ultra Gigabit Fiber Wi-Fi that I now have, and I gotta say, it has been absolutely amazing and so fast in all ways, especially in speed, obviously, and downloads and everything like that. And so
Now,
this
if you've
video is
seen
going to
in
be
one of my
all about
previous
it, and
videos
so
about
let's
Wi-Fi
get
in
into
rural
it.
areas, I'll link that one down below the like button. You would have seen that I only got like 5 to 25 speed there. In my new house, which is still considered rural area, I get 1,000 megabits per second or gigabit fiber internet from Cogeco. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the whole Cogeco Wi-Fi and how good it is, what it's like, and if it's reliable and if it's a good option for anyone who is able to get it. And so, let's get into it.
All right, and so as you can see right here, I'm doing a speed test right now, and this is without direct Ethernet, so this is just over Wi-Fi. And as you can see here, I'm getting around 500, high 500s, low 600s megabits per second in terms of download, and also 20 in terms of upload. Now, upload will always be slower than your download, but what I really use is download and obviously upload for uploading videos, but 20 is fine for me. But as you can see, just in terms of download speed on just Wi-Fi, it is already 611 megabits per second. Now, if you plug in an Ethernet cord, I'll show you guys right now what that looks like. And as you can see here, it is above 850, almost in the 900s, as you can see here. And wow, just wow, the speeds are absolutely amazing. And I am able to do so much more with this now compared to my old video that I put out a while ago where I was only getting 5 megabits per second. From 5 all the way up to past 900 in some cases is absolutely amazing. And I've loved it so much. And so honestly, out of like 10, I give the Cogeco Gigabit Ultra Fiber Internet a 10 out of 10. This is so amazing. I'm so grateful for having this Wi-Fi because I know a lot of people, just like I had, didn't have this speeds. And so I'm absolutely grateful for it, and I actually love it so much.
And I gotta say right off the bat, it is so fast. Now, obviously, you're never going to achieve that 1 gigabit per second. But right now, with direct Ethernet, I'm getting around 900, 910, around there megabits per second. And that is just amazing. Coming from 25 to 900 a second is absolutely mind-blowing, and I am able to download games in literally like 3 minutes compared to 10 hours I would have had to wait on my old Wi-Fi. And so it has been absolutely great to me these past few weeks.
All right, and so yeah, I just decided to make this video because I just wanted to obviously put out a video for you guys because I know you have all been waiting for a new video. I've just been so busy with the move, but yeah, I absolutely love the new Wi-Fi, and I will probably do an update video on it later on once I've tested it more. But for now, it has been absolutely amazing, and I love it so much. So guys, thank you for watching. Again, link to the other video about Wi-Fi in rural areas will be down below, right below the like button in the description. But for now, thank you for watching. Please do go out and have a great day. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about this Wi-Fi and which Wi-Fi you guys have and your speed. And so thank you for watching. Please do go out and have a great day, and we shall see you in the next one.